Work till I die, till I die, till I die. I'm gonna fail and get up, cause I'm not giving up on my dreams.
Hi guys, it's Brooklyn and welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be my Valentine's Day makeup tutorial for 2023. Just a nice girly, pinky Valentine's Day look for a perfect date night or a night out in general. It's just proper girly and bit smoky, glittery, glam, everything that you can hope for a Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. So if you want to see how to get this look, just keep watching.
I just want to stay around when my heart beats. I promise I won't let you down.
So I did do my base makeup and my eyebrow makeup off camera to save time on this video, but as I'm showing you the products on screen, I do have a list of them in my description box, so you can click on the links of them or just search them up on Google if you want to buy these products yourself. I would definitely recommend them. I am starting out with the Huda Beauty Topaz Obsessions, using that light warm brown shade with a Jessup's crease brush. Applying it into the crease and blending up towards the brow bone as a transitional colour to help the other colours blend into the crease. I have taken some of that colour down below just to kind of create that gradient look. I am using my Huda Beauty Ruby Obsessions palette, taking that medium like cherry colour, and I'm using the wee angled crease brush from Primark. I am just focusing on the outer V and also blending it into the crease to create that sort of gradient look, and to blend the pink in with the warm brown just to create more of that soft Valentine's Day look. And I am just taking whatever is left over on the brush, squashing the brush underneath the eyes just to create that kind of smoky look, and you can tell it's a nice pinky tone. I'm taking a wee smaller defined crease brush with that really deep red colour. I am just focusing this on my outer V area, also kind of like doing a smoky lash line, if I could speak, doing a smoky lash line just to kind of create that smoky, pinky, plummy Valentine's Day look. And I am using this rose gold shade from the Ruby Obsessions palette on a wee flap of fluffy lid brush just to apply that onto the inner part of the lid. And I am using the sparkly red shade of the other side of that brush. Baby, you're all that I want when you're lying here in my arms. I'm finding it hard to believe we're in heaven, and love is all that I'll need. When I found it there in your heart, it isn't too hard to see we're in heaven. Now our dreams are coming true, through the good times and the bad. I'll be standing there by you. Woo! I'm nuts. After all that craziness, I am just taking my NYX Epic Ink eyeliner in the shade black just to create that nice simple line to frame these eyes and also frame the eye look. Taking the Rimmel Scandalized Nude Pencil to apply this into the waterline, and I'm also taking the Rimmel Black, I think it's a Scandalized one, the retractable one, just to apply some under the lash line to create that really big eye look and to really frame and set off this eye look. And I'm taking my Mrs. Glam Eyes mascara just to really set off these lashes. Obviously I'm applying mascara to my lashes just to create that nice dramatic lash look, because I am not using lashes in this video. I was going to, but then didn't go to plan, so I just decided just to apply a couple of coats of mascara instead, just to create a bit of a false lash look. I am using my Mrs. Glam Sun Kissed bronzer with my Bare Minerals flawless face brush just to kind of bronze up my skin and prepare my makeup for contouring. And this does give you a nice glow too. I'm using my Ted Baker face palette I got from a Christmas gift set a couple of years ago, using the bronzer on a wee Obsession angled contour brush just to create a nice sculpt to my face. Obviously, I have more like the chubbier face, so I need to be applying more contour to really slim that face down. And I am using the blush from that palette too on a wee unicorn blush brush just to add a nice pink glow to my cheeks. Using my Bobbi Brown shimmer brick in the shade Pinky, I think it is, and I'm using my unicorn highlight brush just to apply some highlight, a nice pinky Valentine's Day highlight to my face. I'm using my Be Perfect pigment in like a white shade with my random lid brush, just applying that into the inner corners, the brow bones, the cupid's bow, and also a bit down the bridge of my nose to create that nice glittery look, using my Aqualash mascara and my W7 red lip pencil. I didn't realise I had covered my whole lips with this mirror, but I am just doing a simple overline of my lips and fading it into my lip line. I'm using my Rimmel Stay Satin lip colour. Not entirely sure the shade name, but it will be down below in the description box. But I am covering my face. Again, I'm sorry I'm annoying, but that is a completed look. I hope you enjoyed this look. A nice girly Valentine's Day look, and I hope you do enjoy your Valentine's Day with your partner. Let me know how it went. Hope you have a nice, happy and safe one, and I'll see you again for the next one. Stay gorgeous. God bless. Bye.